Hey, manufacturers and buyers, want to know where the heat-treated steel strip demand is booming in 2025? Let's break it down real quick. First, the US, no surprise here. Automotive, aerospace, tool makers, they all need high-performance strips. Then there's Germany and Western Europe. Precision parts, high-tech springs, they demand top-quality materials with stable supply. Don't overlook India, with Make in India in full swing, local production's exploding. Big chance for exports. And guess what? Turkey and parts of Eastern Europe are becoming new industrial hubs. Tooling and hardware factories are popping up fast. So what does it mean for suppliers like us? More export opportunities. More partners. And more demand for consistent, high-quality steel strip. If you're looking to expand your global reach or need a reliable supplier, let's talk. This is Jiaoxiao MTC, we speak steel, and we speak your language.